In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dehaze in Affinity. If your photo looks washed out from fog, mist, or atmospheric haze, this quick workflow will help you bring back clarity and contrast while keeping your image natural. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Once the workspace loads, make sure your image is on the canvas and active. Click directly on the image layer in the Layers panel or on the canvas itself to select it. This ensures the adjustments you're about to make apply to the correct layer. At the top of the interface, switch into pixel mode by clicking the pixel option. This puts you in the raster editing environment, which is where dehazing tools live. If you stay in vector mode, the filter won't be available for your image layer, so this step is essential. Now head to the filters menu. This is where Affinity groups its image correction tools. From there, choose haze removal. Your image will open in a dedicated dialog with sliders and a live preview so you can see changes as you work. You'll see three main controls: distance, strength, and exposure correction. Think of distance as telling Affinity how far into the scene the haze extends. Increase it when the haze sits deep in the background like distant mountains or a far horizon. Strength controls how aggressively the haze is removed. Start modestly and move up until details emerge without introducing halos or crunchiness. Exposure. Correction compensates for the darkening that often happens when you cut through haze. Nudge this until the overall brightness feels right and skin tones, skies, or foliage don't look dull or blown out. To judge your adjustments accurately, use the split view or mirror view options in the preview. Split view lets you drag a divider to compare before and after side by side, which is great for fine-tuning. Mirror view shows the corrected version opposite the original, helping you evaluate global changes like overall contrast and color balance. Zoom in to check edges, tree lines, or buildings, and zoom out to confirm the whole scene still looks natural. When you're satisfied with the balance of clarity, contrast, and brightness, click Apply to commit the changes. If anything looks a touch heavy-handed after applying, simply step back and try slightly lower strength or a gentler distance setting. With a bit of practice, haze removal becomes a fast, reliable way to rescue flat landscapes, cityscapes, and backlit scenes while keeping a realistic look.